Okay, for y'all who don't know how to work the app, spill. This is the app. This is the people. This is fresh tea. It's basically like some suggestions for you, right? Down here you have the cup is the like button. You can like it. You can quote it like a retweet. That's a retweet button. Or you can comment. It's fresh comment. Up here is your search. Type in what your thing is. You can search for members who have maybe photography in their name. That's me right there. Photography educator. This is my page. This is my feed. Just like your Twitter, this is your Twitter feed. The comments that I've left on other people's stuff. And the tea that I'm commenting on, that I'm part of. It's really that simple. Then you can follow things that's photography related. So you see all this stuff right here is just photography related. Go in there, have fun, and play with it. Play around with it.